I attended Wallace for 2 years. I was in the electrical technology program. At the time, I was working part-time and going to school full-time, making minimum wage, paying for my own school. So it was really important to me to try and get on as a tech scholar. Michelin pays for your tuition, books, anything that you need for school, and then they let you work 20 hours a week. That was a very large financial burden that was lifted off of me. The biggest opportunity I seen was being able to get a job at Michelin as a full-time technician. The way I looked at it was it was an interview, a 2-year interview. When you're in school, you only have trainers and stuff that you work with. We would go through certain courses where we may learn about contactors, relays, PLCs. You really don't grasp the whole concept of it until you can actually come into an industry and see where it's actually being used and how it's being used. When I was a tech scholar, I was actually working with technicians, so I was actually going out to machines, troubleshooting machines with them. Being able to work at Michelin on the floor with machines and equipment and actually getting to troubleshoot, be hands-on with stuff, really helps you more in the real world.